how are you? Welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In this video, I got you one more yummy breakfast recipe, poha. Very easy to make yet very fulfilling and very tasty. So let's go and see how we make our poha. Do try it and let me know how it turned out. There are so many breakfast recipes available on my channel. If you didn't get a chance to check them out, link will be in the description box below. If you do like my videos, please do subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now let's go and make this yummy. Let's look at the ingredients we need to make this delicious breakfast poha. Salt to taste, turmeric powder, cumin seeds or jeera, mustard seeds, curry leaves. I took 5 sprigs of curry leaves, 5 to 6, 1 bunch of spring onions. This is optional. If you have it, use it. And 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, and a bunch of chilies. Adjust according to your spiciness. Chana dalia and peanuts. These two go according to your preference. If you like more peanuts and chana dalia, put more, otherwise less. I'm taking 3 cups of poha. Don't soak it yet. When you cut everything and ready to make, then only soak the poha. It will turn out delicious. So let's soak cut everything and then make our poha. Poha is now nicely washed and water is taken out. There is not even trace of water. I made sure of that, because if you let the little bit water remain also, poha will become very mushy. If you want poha to maintain its shape, you need to take out the water completely. Now the oil is heating up. It's ready for us, so we'll put in our jeera. 1 teaspoon of jeera should be good enough. See, oil is hot. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Nicely spluttering. So we are going to add our peanuts. I'm adding bunch of 2 handfuls of peanuts. Add according to your need and your wish. And chana dalia, again 1 handful. Let's mix it once so that it's nicely fried. Less than 1 minute this will be ready. Then we can add our onions. I'll add onions and then show you. I just added onions and spring onions and nothing else. We are not going to brown the onions, but let them cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add our remaining ingredients. Onions have been frying for almost 2 to 3 minutes, and they are ready for other ingredients. Let me add green chilies and curry leaves. Let's mix them once and let them fry together for almost 1 minute should be good enough, and then we'll add our garlic. It's been 1 minute, so let's add our garlic. Mix it all once. Few seconds, let them fry for few seconds, and then we'll add our spices. Let's add turmeric powder. I'm adding around half teaspoon for 3 cups. It gives nice color to the poha. And of course, salt to taste. Do not add too much. 1 cup of poha requires only half teaspoon of salt. So adjust accordingly. It will soon become salty, so be careful about that. Mix it once, and now it's ready for our poha. Let's add our poha. Now that poha is in, let's mix nicely and keep it on low heat for 5 minutes and your poha will be done. Let me mix and I'll show you. Your beautiful poha is ready. Don't fry it too long and make sure the heat is low after adding poha. Otherwise poha will become like too yucky. It's not good. So this is it, and it will be easily done within 10 minutes. If all your ingredients are ready, do try it and let me know how it turned out. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Serve it hot with some chutney or without chutney. It will taste really awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.